But, perhaps the best example of Oculus's ambition with the Go is the new Oculus Rooms app, coming to Oculus Go and Gear VR. This is a customizable social space in which you can hang out with pals floating around, playing chess, sharing photos and watching films. The sense of spatial audio is excellent, and hanging out with a pal from the other side of the world to watch a movie is an impressive, Ready Player One-like experience. Moving to the other side of the room and then seeing the screen in the corner of the virtual living room continuing to play Matt Damon's The Martian in the background, in 3D, no less, show just how flexible and powerful shared social spaces in VR could be. It's worth noting that while Oculus Rift games can't port over to Oculus Go, and the idea is that developers who've already made apps and games for Gear VR should be able to easily build versions for Oculus Go. But as a sort of consolation prize, Oculus Go devs support cross-platform play between itself and the Oculus Rift and Gear VR, so you can play along with friends who own either of these headsets while you're wearing your Oculus Go.